How to connect Asphalt 8 to Discord. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Asphalt 8 and want to connect with the game's Discord community, then first of all, launch open the Asphalt 8 on your device and wait for the game to load. Once it does, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon from the lobby page. On the next page, go ahead and click on the My Profile button. Click on Social on the next page. And right underneath the Discord logo, click Login. This will take you to the discord.com website where you'll need to enter your Discord account's credentials. If you don't have a Discord account yet, you can create one first. If you're trying to log into your existing Discord account, go ahead and enter your email or phone number and the password for your Discord. And finally, click Login. Right after you do that, you will be able to connect Asphalt 8 with Discord. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.